Is your WordPress site refusing to load and throwing a connection timed out error at you? It's really frustrating. And even worse, it can make your site completely inaccessible. If you're dealing with this right now, don't worry. I've run into this exact same problem before, and in this video, I'm going to show you the simple methods I used to fix the connection timed out error in WordPress. Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. A connection timeout happens when your site takes too long to respond. This can be caused by slow internet, DNS issues, a faulty plugin, a theme problem, or even your hosting server running out of resources. Let's start with the quick checks. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try loading other websites by clicking on the reload icon on the top left of the Chrome browser, or testing from another device on the same network. If other websites load normally, move on to the next step. Sometimes your browser is a culprit. Try to clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated browser data can cause loading issues. If you're using the Chrome browser, click the three dots on the top right and select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, and then Delete Browsing Data. Make sure to check Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, and click Delete Data. Security software can sometimes block connections to your site. Disable it briefly to see if the error resolves, then add an exception for your website if necessary. In Windows, click the search box, type Windows Security, and open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings, and click Manage Settings. Disable the real-time protection and reload your site. If the site works only when it's disabled, simply add your website to the allowed list. Another common fix is flushing your DNS. Corrupted local DNS cache or slow DNS servers can also cause timeouts. You can flush your DNS using the command prompt on Windows or Terminal on Mac. In Windows, click the Start menu, type CMD into the search bar. The command prompt app will appear in the search results. Select Run as Administrator from the menu. If a User Account Control UAC prompt appears, asking for permission to make changes, click Yes. In the Administrator command prompt window, type the following command: ipconfig /flush DNS. Press Enter, and you should see a confirmation message. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. If you want a more reliable setup, switch your DNS to Google Public DNS or Cloudflare DNS. If you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it, as it might be causing the block. In Windows, go to Settings, select Network and Internet, and then disable VPN connections. Now, if none of the browser or network checks worked, that means the issue is coming from your WordPress site or server. One of the common causes of connection timeout errors is a faulty or incompatible plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Installed Plugins. Select all plugins and deactivate them using the Bulk Actions menu. If you can't access the admin, use an FTP client like FileZilla to access your site's files. If you're connecting your site to FileZilla for the first time, you can click the link in the description for a complete step-by-step guide. Once your site is connected, go to the root folder, usually public_HTML or your domain name, and locate the WP-content folder. Inside, you'll find a folder named Plugins. Simply rename this folder to something like plugins_disable. By doing this, all plugins on your site will be instantly deactivated. Now try loading your site again. If the site loads after deactivation, rename the folder back to Plugins, then reactivate each plugin one by one until the error reappears to identify the culprit. Once identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating to the latest version, or contact the plugin developer for help. A problematic theme can also cause the error, so try to switch to a default theme. In FileZilla, go to the public_HTML folder or your domain name and find the WP-content folder. Navigate to the Themes folder and rename your active themes folder to temporarily disable it. WordPress will automatically activate a default theme like 2025 if available. If the error is fixed, the issue is with your theme. Reach out to the theme developer for help, check for updates, or consider switching to a different theme. Another common cause is your server running out of memory. To increase your PHP memory limit, connect to your site using FTP or your host's file manager. In FileZilla, open the root folder, find the wp-config.php file, right-click, and choose View/Edit. Before the line that says, "That's all, stop editing," paste this code. Define WP memory limit 256M. Save the file and upload it back to your server. Then refresh your site. Most of the time, this alone fixes the timeout error. You can also increase your PHP execution time. You can do this inside your hosting control panel under the PHP settings, or by adjusting your htaccess or php.ini file. In phpMyAdmin, select the PHP configuration tool. Setting the max execution time to 120 or 180 seconds usually solves it. And once you've gone through these steps, your site should be loading normally again. But in some rare cases, the problem isn't on your end at all. It's the server. It could be an overloaded server, a resource restriction, or a configuration issue that only the host can fix. Contact your hosting provider for help. Good thing, GigaPress Web Hosting provides excellent customer service. If you're hosting with GigaPress, you're not just getting help, you're getting a reliable partner committed to keeping your WordPress site running smoothly. Thanks to our quick resolution, whether you use live chat, phone, or support tickets, we have some of the fastest resolution times in the industry. So, ready to experience hassle-free hosting? Visit gigapress.net/web-hosting. And that's it. Your WordPress site should now load normally without the connection timed out error. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.